welcome to Yoga with Anja, and welcome to this short introduction video to what we are going to do over the next 5 days. We are practicing yoga for 5 days in a row to get yourself set up for a routine. Many people, especially in current times, are challenging themselves and try to do something every day to look after themselves, look after their own health and well-being. And this is the chance now to start practicing yoga or to get into a routine. It's not for any specific levels, so anyone can join in, and I just hope that you will feel the benefits of 5 days of yoga. Doesn't matter what day, what date in the year you're starting. It's just important to build up a little bit of a pattern so your body will remember and you can get into flow. Thank you so much for being here. I look forward to step onto the mat with you every day for the next 5 days.